Hey guys, I'm going to be seeing if I have any more hiccups. Okay, that was the one. I have any more? I'm curious, do I have any more? I felt one, but then it went away. Why am I not getting any cups out of me? I don't think I have any more hiccups. I'm not hearing any. I don't hear any, and then are coming up. I don't think I have any more hiccups. Well, bye, because I don't have any. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribed. But I don't have any more hiccups or burps. Well, bye guys, because I have no hiccups. I think I'm gonna pause it, but I have no idea.